Hey, how's it going YouTube? My name is Damit. This is a review of 858D Hot Air Rework Station. So if you guys new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. Please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's dive in. So first, let's open the box and see what's inside. By the way, this is not a sponsored product. I bought this item from eBay for $36. So in the box, we have a user manual, holder for the nozzle, IC extractor tool, finally the hot air station and the nozzle. Oh wait, there is one loose screw. This hot air station and the nozzle come with wrapped in plastic and bubble wrap. The station and the nozzle looks good for $36. However, I found 3 more loose screws inside the box, but one screw is belong to the IC extractor, and the other screws, I have no idea where they came from. User manual is pretty useless. It's just random English words in a book. Power switch in the front turns on the hot air station, and push buttons controls the temperature. Temperature starts at 100 degrees Celsius and max out at 450 degrees. The fan controller works just fine. And finally, the nozzle auto off function works without any issues. For this test, I set the fan speed to the max and then crank the heat all the way to 300 degrees. So overall, this is a very good hot air station for the price. And if you're a beginner with a limited budget, this one will take you a long way. And finally, this is a review of 858D Hot Air Rework Station. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. I will see you next time.